Yo, good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing good. Let me start my stream on my Discord really quick. Alright. Alright. Good morning, guys. Alright, so the market kinda sold off during Asia session, but then we pumped. We sold off on Asia session and then we pumped back up during London session. So, very interesting, to say the least. I mean, on the higher time frame, we are looking, still pretty bearish until we take out this high. Obviously we broke this high, we're still kind of going above it, so it could be a sign of bullish, but I'm just gotta see how the market's gonna open here. We did take out a lot of liquidities to the upside, so I feel like the market would go down. So, we already took out so many levels from the upside during London session, so maybe New York session continues the draw on liquidity and we just sell off, or we just continue to go up. Just gotta wait and see, guys. Yeah, guys. Look at Asia session. We sold off about 300 points, and then London session, we bought up 300 points. So I don't think it's as bad as before. I think let me see, the day before London high. It's about the same thing. I think Asia was way more though. I think Asia was 400 or 500 or something. No, not okay. So around the same shit. So we should expect around the same volume, as we've been getting. Because normally Asia session and London session do not move 600 points total overnight. Maybe it's 200, 300, half of that. So yeah, just expect some volume today. We do have PMI at 10 a.m. guys. So at 10 a.m. we should see some direction. Okay. Alright, market's about open 2 minutes. So we just gotta wait. But if we do start buying, we don't really have a setup until up here. And if we do start selling, we don't have a setup until down here. So realistically, we'd have to wait for this and then just target this, I guess. But maybe you could target the London low, maybe even the Asia low. So this would be what we'd be looking at if we did sell off. 15-minute below this one. The thing is, that's just too far, bro. if we wait for that, it's gonna be 200 points. So I'm not gonna say the market would be oversold by then, but I feel like this setup would just be way better. Oh, my fault, Mikey. I forgot I wasn't screen sharing. So yeah, this setup, I feel like just be way better off this 5 minute here. Even though we have this low here, I mean, if you want to eliminate risk, you just put your stop loss to break even after we take out this low. Or the thing is, like, look, from where price is right now, this is 200 points away. So not gonna say the market would be oversold by then, but let's say like, oh, we do inverse, like till the London low, you're only gonna get 47 points. So yeah. See what the market does. I mean, see if it wants to continue the selling or it wants to buy up. I mean, London session, we did buy up a lot, which we did take out a lot of levels of liquidity. Maybe we go up, take out this London, and then we go down. Which honestly, I would prefer, which we just took it out now, so that's good. So, you know, if we do go down now, it would be pretty nice. Look at ES actually. Hold on. Yeah, ES just took out the London too, and ES is also in a gap. Oh my gosh, it's one of these gaps that it's like on top of the liquidity, so I can't take it out. Yeah, I mean, if we start rejecting, I mean, we know why. We're having a DLL sweep off this liquidity up here. So, it would be pretty nice if we just sell off now. We could do something riskier and like enter off one of these, but like, nah. How much of earlier entry you'll get? 50 points. Just so much risky because we have these stupid two gaps right here. Like originally when I opened my chart, I didn't see these two gaps, so like I did mark out like to enter off this, but it looks like we're still pumping. But like even if we do like inverse this gap, like let's say we take out a liquidity and then we go down off this gap, we can't take it because it's in this gap. So like best case scenario is that we start selling off now. Like we need to flip this candle from green to red, and or maybe next candle we'll just sell off and then whatever. Let's see if I'm live streaming on YouTube. Yeah, okay, perfect. Perfect. I'm really hoping we're able to sell off soon. The thing is with longs, bro, we're gonna have to wait until like this inverse, which I mean now it's just 234 points, which we've already bumped 130. So like that's gonna be like 340 points. You know, we could be overbought by then. It's like we don't really have any other gaps to inverse because these two gaps are overlapping each other. So we just have to wait for this one, and then when we inverse this one, we have this gap on top. So it's like, damn. This is a 15-minute, yeah. So yeah, maybe we take out this liquidity and then we start rejecting. But let's see. We just took it out now, so. So let's see, mark this one too. And like even if we want to get like a fair value gap rejection, again, like we just have another fair value gap right above us, so it's not really the best thing, you know. That's what I can say. So hopefully we're able to sell off here. It would make sense, you know. We took out the security, just start selling off. Look at ES here. Yeah, ES is way more bearish than NQ right now. So hopefully this pulls down NQ and NQ is able to. Yeah, because ES took out this London high and it just wants to go down. 861. Yeah, ES is like right here. So this is the sign that I want to see. I honestly. I want us to sell off here, bro. We're getting a lot of selling here, guys. We do have PMI today at 10 a.m. So. Let me see YouTube. Okay, just finally like actually live. Okay, that's good. Perfect, perfect. big is this candle? 100 points? Yeah, 100 points. So hopefully we're able to like push down a little more and then, you know, go to inverse. Bro. Yo, Twinkie. Are you locked in, bro? Are you locked in? You can't? Am I in your pocket, bro? Barely. Bro. Hold on a minute. So yeah, I mean, honestly, yeah, because look, if we take this inverse, 37 points until the next gap, and then this inverse, 17 points. Well, I mean, it'd be 11 points to the actual gap, but the low within this gap, 17 points. It's crazy. Okay, yes, hold on. Yeah, yes already inverse this gap, and it's about to inverse this gap. So NQ just needs to sell off with the S here, bro. Like, we'll literally, like, dump. I mean, NQ is not really pulling back, like, you know, but I just want to see some stronger selling. Let me see. Interesting. Surprised this candle isn't bigger. I mean, we still have a minute. 30 seconds till this candle closes, so. Bro. There's no way, Twinkie. I think your teacher might have like a personal vendetta against you or something. All right, 30 seconds till candle closes. We have 15 minutes till PMI comes out. So, man, forget this inverse. Hopefully, it happens before PMI. Not during, because during PMI would suck. And I don't know what the fuck happened with PMI. We could Loki just like buy up or sell off. Oh my, yo, did you guys see that? What just happened? Yo, did you guys see that on Tradeovate? Gosh. Oh, February PMIs. Something came out. That's why. That scared me, bro. I was like, what the hell? Yeah, it didn't show here on TradingView, but it did happen on TradingView. There's no way we flip from red to green. That's crazy. No way we would reject off this gap, bro. Yeah, flip this from green to red. Yeah, you. Yes, inverse the gap also. Oh my gosh. What the fuck is this market doing? It's a random 93-point candle. Yeah, if you would have entered this year, recently yesterday and stopped out. If you took the one before though, you'd be chilling. Alright, bet, bro. Bet Twinkie. So no, we're still pumping, man. And you get that green to red flip. If we dead ass green to red flip, this would actually be pretty crazy. No, you have 5 seconds actually, so. Let's see. We have PMI in 10 minutes now, too. Bro. Bro. Yeah, I mean, Marcus not really doing anything right now, to be honest. Bro, we're still pumping. Thing is, brother, if we just keep pumping, there's like just no setups we could take. So. Maybe one of those days. I mean, we do have PMI in 7 minutes, so
we can wait for that and see how the market reacts to it. But yeah, guys. I don't really know what the market's doing. We got 4 minutes until, well, actually 5 minutes until PMI comes out. So maybe that'll give the market some direction. Yeah, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. So just gotta wait and see. Hopefully we'll be able to sell off. I mean, hopefully not inverse the gap yet in this candle, but get close. So we're not all the way up here. I mean, 180 points. We gotta wait. Like, be nice if we got a little closer. So yeah, let's just wait the 3 more minutes. See how the market leads here. See, hopefully we can just fucking dump. I mean, ES is still pretty bullish and bearish too, so hopefully we're able to continue this. So I'm guessing the market's anticipating PMI, so we're kind of just chilling here. But what we could really hope for is just PMI comes out super bearish and we're able to just dump here. It's like best case scenario right now for us. Yeah. Anyway, I gotta have the news. Oh yeah, so 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, we'll see. Hopefully this move will give us the setup. Alright, 10 seconds, guys. Let's see. Alright. Oh, it came out bullish. So let's see how the market reacts to it, though. Just because it comes out bullish doesn't mean the market will react bullish to it. Oh, it came out super fast. Normally, it's pending for 10-20 seconds, but it literally instantly came out. I guess the market wants higher. I mean, we'll just take that out for now, guys. We still got another level of liquidity. I mean, the more levels we take out, the more likely we are to reverse. I mean, Asia high is also the next liquidity, so. I mean, what could happen too is that we pump up, create a fair value gap here, and then we could inverse this one, which wouldn't be too shabby. So, you know, maybe we get a deal sweep, and we also get a rejection off the fair value gap up here. Wouldn't be bad. That'd actually be pretty nice. So let's see. If we're able to hold this 5 minute. Actually, let me check ES. I haven't looked at ES. I mean, ES I think is ES is down here right now. So yeah, down here. So I see. Hopefully we get that set up. I mean, honestly, that'd be pretty good. I would actually really like that setup. We just need to pump up a little more. We have a nice gap. Flip it from green to red. Interesting. We do have a 1 minute gap here, but I'm not gonna take that.
Can't believe we got a green to red flip, honestly. Very, very surprised. We flip back to green. That's crazy. Oh, I gotta get a doji candle.
Drop for the next 15.
You need for the next 15.
Bro, if we were able to flip that from green to red, why the fuck are we still pumping?
I mean, honestly, it could be good if we just keep pumping up, take out another level of liquidity. We can make another gap up here, and we'd have an even better entry. A really good price target. But we need to see buyers kind of just like pump us up. So it looks like we might get a green to red.
Yeah, Bitcoin was pumping too.
It's at 72K right now. 71, almost 72.
So we still have 2 minutes, guys.
It's gonna pump up a bit. We need the candle to close like up here. Would be pretty good. Around the 0.103 range up here. Should I get another pump here? So let's see. Let's see.
So yeah, hopefully we're able to pump up enough.
Or we can leave a gap here. And then the next candle closes, and then we're able to just drop. You know, obviously we take out the liquidity. We have the Asia high right here, so
Let's see.
see if the market's able to give us something good here. to wait for this big ass inverse for longs, and even then, we have this other gap right above it, 30 points away. So. So yeah, let's see if the candle could close like up here. So then we have this gap, and we're able to pump up, take out this Asia high, maybe pump up a little more, and then start rejecting off this fair value gap. And then we can get a DOL sweep plus a rejection into shorts. That would be A plus, as beautiful as it could be. We'll have an extra confirmation for our setup. So let's see. And Q finally regains 25,000. Nice. Alright, 2 seconds. Okay, nice. Let's see if we can hold this gap. I mean, just gotta hold this gap. We pump into this Asia high. Even pump, hopefully we pump a little higher. So we can reject off this gap, maybe off the midpoint or something. See if we can hold this gap first. I mean, should. It's the most important part. If we can hold this gap, then there's no entry. Come on, pump it, pump up. Oh. There goes the gap. Yep. Alright, well, there goes that setup. I mean, that was like really the only thing we could do. I'm not gonna look at the 1 minute. Shouldn't even have one on the 1 minute, but I'm gonna look at ES here. Yeah, I mean, ES has a nice setup for longs, but I don't want to take ES. I don't like ES. I mean, that was literally like the only way we could have gotten the setup, so. Well, unless we wait for this, but it's way too low. Just way too far from it right now, 200 points. Unless we make another gap, but. Cash day, yeah, it might look like that. Might be looking like a cash day. I'm just surprised. I thought the market would be like more directional. Oh, there you go. Got a little push. Finally about to take out the Asia high. I just want to see us pump a bit, bro. Like, we get like a little push and then it gets rejected and then it's just like the same shit. I want to see some strong direction. Yeah, we definitely should have took that out off that push. It's a very, very somehow volatile but slow day today. Yes, actually pumped a bit off that push. I'm surprised. Actually, almost inversed that gap. It's rejecting off it now though. And we do have a 15-minute gap actually. Right here. We have to wait another 15 minutes though. So. I just wish we took out this Asia high. If we are gonna go down. What time did we get that move yesterday? See, it's like 11. 11 o'clock. Hopefully it doesn't take that long, but just gotta wait and see. You're not in? I mean, bro, there's nothing to get into. I really hope this Iran war can end already. You know, obviously, so like, you know, we're not at war, but also just so the markets aren't like this, bro. Like, it's so boring. It's like we have so much volume, but then there's no direction. It's just like, come on, man. Looks like we might take out Asia High finally. There you go. Finally. Took out this Asia High. Let's see how we react off of it. And the thing is, for this 15-minute, we have to wait fucking 11 minutes for it to close, so doesn't really matter what we do moving forward until this thing closes. Maybe we pump up a little more, and then we just reject off the gap or some shit. But yeah, this gap we've rejected off, like, literally around the same price too. Right here, so it's actually insane. We just re-entered this gap, so let's see how we react off this. I mean, look at ES actually. ES just inversed the gap for longs. Like, I would want to take it, but like ES honestly just yeah. Even though, like, obviously, like, we're super bullish right now. Just,
we're pumping. I mean, this is a daily liquidity, 1 hour liquidity, 4 hour liquidity. So this one should be like a really impactful liquidity. Another thing that could happen too is, I mean, we have this 5 minute as well. The thing is, bro, like we're just gonna be making a bunch of rally gaps. We have this 15 minute now, or we don't have it yet, but in 9 minutes. Then we have to wait for 5 minutes for this for rally gap, which we're not gonna take until we take on another level of liquidity, because right now we are holding bullish. So yeah, look, you just gotta be patient, guys. Just wait. Wait. I mean, this isn't really like a important high. It's a 30-minute high, so I'm just taking it out now. So let's see. This is a rejection point. We did reject, so we're finally pumping up a bit here. I want to see us take this one out. This is the big boy right here. So let me erase this Asia high here. I think we just inversed this gap. Yeah, we did. Alright, so we could take this one out finally. The chart looks way cleaner. No more of a fucking mess. I mean, we're getting closer to this fucking inverse. So I mean, if we just keep pumping up, I mean, we have this inverse for longs. Just we gotta wait so long. So hopefully, you know, we take this out and we just start fucking dumping. It'd be super nice. Damn, if we would have took the longs on ES, would have hit full PT already, or not full PT, but it would have hit first PT, which is 14 points, which is a lot on ES, guys. But let's see. So we are in this big ass gap now that we've rejected off of 3 different times. So this is a very respected gap. And this area right here is where we reject a lot. So look at this, bro. So let's see. If we take out this liquidity and we just keep pumping up, I mean, it just shows the market just wants to go fucking up. So we'll go up with it. We're only 20 points away from taking out this liquidity, so
I honestly really want us to take out this liquidity because, dude, this is like such a like big liquidity. So I expect like a big reaction off this. And if there's no big reaction, we just keep pumping, then it shows that we're just gonna keep pumping. So, which looks like we're getting a bit of a pump here. So let's see, let's see. So, I mean, if we do catch shorts, I'm hoping we take this out and then we just fucking dump. So let's see. So alright, we just got the liquidity, guys. So let's see if we start rejecting or if we just keep pumping. If we keep pumping, I guess we'll look to take some longs. 181.25. Oh, we're getting a lot of buying right now. On. So we do have this gap here, so I guess we could put our stop loss to break even to minimize risk after we get into this fair value up. Let's see, guys. 181 be entry. We are at the midpoint right now, so anything could happen here. I'm gonna erase this just in case. No, just not to get confused. Let's see. We're still like 60 points away from entry anyway, so it's not like it needs to happen as soon as possible. Alright, we're pumping a little higher here, guys. So I'm gonna just leave this up just in case. It's crazy. How much have we pumped already since down here? So this rejection, 320 points. So that's so we have officially made this 50-minute, and we do have these 2 5 minutes under. It's not that I would prefer shorts, but I feel like shorts we'd have to hit 120 points too. So now we're only what, like 40 points away, 30 points away from mid-century. So yeah, like 40 points. If we reject again from this gap, it'd be crazy. Seller's trying to step in, maybe. Bitcoin's 73K. Oh shit, yeah. Bitcoin's at 73K. Yeah, we're just pumping today. It's like Monday, but Monday we actually had an entry. So, I would honestly, I don't know. Obviously, shorts would be pretty nice. I mean, we bought so much. It's like, how much higher can we go? So if we do start selling off, I mean, it would be pretty good. Yeah, our next liquidity wouldn't be about 237. So we don't. It's 5 minutes. Alright, I mean, hopefully Stalling's able to pick up here and we can get some shorts. I mean, Loki shorts would be pretty good. I would only prefer shorts over longs because of how much we've bought up, and also, I mean, we took out this really high impact liquidity, and we've rejected off this for like 3 other times, so it makes sense to reject again. Price obviously keeps rejecting off this gap, so if we're able to get a DLC plus a rejection, would be an extra confluence into shorts. But I mean, if we just wanted to tap back into this gap to bounce higher, I mean, could do that too. Let's see, I mean, hey. I mean, this fair value gap projection would be another confluence into longs too, so that's another thing. Close. Okay. Okay, there you go. Inverse this gap. See if sellers can step in here. Maybe get some shorts. I honestly prefer shorts over longs. So, you know, there must be buyers exhaustion already. I mean, we've pumped up 350 points, I think, already. $320 points. So it makes sense if sellers start taking control here. So let's see, guys. Let's see. What was that notification? My brand running low on ballistic missiles. Western officials say. Alright. More war news. How close are we to that inverse now? Only 70 points away, guys. So hopefully we're able to continue some selling here, and you know we can catch these shorts. honestly prefer this more than longs, but let's see. So entry would be at 09, 0950. Wait, right? Oh, 0975. Yeah, we're getting some selling, guys, so I'll be ready. Some sellers to come in strong here. Just inverse this gap. Slice it like butter. Come on. There you go. Come on, sellers. I really have to use the bathroom. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Use the bathroom really quick. I'm back. I'm back. Alright, we finally inversed this gap here above. Oh wait, no, we didn't. Wait, what? Oh, I was looking at ES. Oops. ES just inversed the gap, so hopefully NQ is able to inverse very soon.
55-point stop is good. We are getting some selling, guys, so be ready. We are about to inverse this gap. Okay, yes. Okay. What? Oh, I was like, wait, the market just froze for a second. $35.75. We inverse this gap. And we just have to inverse this one, and then we take shorts, guys. So be ready. Actually, not that far. Only like 50 points away. Come on, sellers. London lows all the way down there. That London low, bro. Fucking 400 points. Nah, there's no way. I mean, it's not that it's impossible, but very unlikely. I feel like maybe we could see this, potentially. I feel like this is more realistic. I mean, I'm just have to put it here. I'm just gonna put it there just in case. Dude, it was so close to inversing, bro. We're literally a tick away from inversing this gap. We're 1 point. So if we were able to dump in this candle here. getting some selling again, guys. We got a green to red flip. Let's see. If you're able to continue this. Candles in a minute. Minute and 40 seconds. I see what this next candle is going to be able to do in 20 seconds. I think. Oh, yeah, it's a 15-minute now. We reject off this gap here. No, we're gonna reject off literally like the bottom of the Fair Valley gap, bro. We have to flip this to red and we sell off, bro. There's no way. That'd be actually hilarious if we actually just completely reject off this. There's no way, bro. Would it be dumb to take longs off this? We are in this big ass gap. That's like the only thing, really. I really want shorts, bro. Hope we're able to get some shorts here. But we are holding above liquidity, so We're pretty bullish right now, guys. So we're holding on there. It's like, so I have to wait for. Little baby. Hey guys, this market is looking a little off, so I'm actually gonna get off. I'll see you guys tomorrow. 9:30 a.m. every morning, guys. Hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys